Hey guys, welcome back to this place on the internet. My name is ACNE, but of course you know you can call me Shuga. I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Yes, Abuja, Nigeria, you guys. So in today's video, I am coming on here to share with you how to apply DUDU OSUN African black soap in order for you to achieve the result you want to achieve with it. And in the same vein, to also share with you how you can use DUDU OSUN black soap to clear your acne. Yes, I actually got this question from one of the previous videos I made about DUDU OSUN. So yes, I made two videos previously about DUDU OSUN. One where I shared a detailed review about the DUDU OSUN, what it does, what it doesn't do, the side effects it has, the reactions, what to do, how to take care of the side effects and the reactions. I shared everything, every myth concerning DUDU OSUN I debunked in that video. And then in another follow-up video, I also shared how you can identify the fake DUDU OSUN in the market. I'm going to leave those videos linked in the card here for you to see. I'm also going to leave them in the description area for you to also check out as soon as you're done watching this video. Now, underneath one of those videos, I got a request asking me how one can use DUDU OSUN to actually clear acne. Now, even if I did mention or give a hint about this in that particular video, I figured that coming on here to make a detailed video, explaining specifically how you can use DUDU OSUN, and also not just how you can apply it, but how you can also use it to clear every acne, pimples and breakouts that you might have on your skin, your face, any other part of your body. So now let's get straight into the video. So now, one other thing that DUDU OSUN will help you do is to help you effectively clear out your dark spots. It is going to fade out every dark spot that you got from previous acne or pimples, breakout, any other dark spot or acne scars on your face. DUDU OSUN is going to help you reduce them significantly, and if it's just dark spot, it's going to help you clear them out completely. But now, one of the first mistake that so many people do, listen, I did it myself when I started using DUDU OSUN the first time. Many mistakes that so many people do or make when they use DUDU OSUN is that they carry it and they apply it on their face. Yes, they wet the soap and they apply it directly on the face. My darling, don't do that. Don't do that. My darling, don't do that. Now, the first thing that you're supposed to do when you get your DUDU OSUN black soap is to first of all wash your face. Now remember that DUDU OSUN doubles both as an exfoliant and as a cleanser. So even if you're not using it as your regular everyday soap, you can actually use it as your cleanser when you want to start your skincare routine in the morning or in the evening. You can also use it as an exfoliator, and that is the reason why I'm also going to be sharing with you how many times a week or how many times a day you should be using DUDU OSUN if you are targeting to clear your acne or the scars and dark spots that come from your acne and other pimple breakouts. You guys, so now how do you use DUDU OSUN on your face? The first thing you want to do is to get your DUDU OSUN soap and water. Of course, in your bathroom, I mean, there's water, right? Yes. Now what you need to do is to wet the DUDU OSUN soap and then lather it with your hands. When you wet it, lather the soap with your hands. What do I use to make this demonstration? Now let me use this to make this demonstration. Now when you get the DUDU OSUN soap and you wet it, you lather it like this. Now that lather you have on your hand is what you're going to apply on your face and massage around your face very well, and any other area, of course, where you have this breakout or spot that you are looking out to treat. Make sure that you massage it in and then leave it on for max 5 minutes, because actually if you leave it on for too long, it is going to dry out your skin and cause even more irritation. It's going to make your acne condition worse. So don't leave it too long. Max 5 minutes, and that is if you even have very tough skin. But if your skin is sensitive and just normal oily skin, between 2 to 3 minutes is fine, for you to do that. So when you're done with that, after 5 minutes, rinse off and then go in with a moisturizer and other products in your skincare routine. But now I will say this: when you are using DUDU OSUN to treat acne, you can take this advice or leave it, but I know what I'm saying. All right, one of the best moisturizers or oils that you can pair with DUDU OSUN while you're treating your skin from acne or dark spots is coconut oil. And when I say coconut oil, I mean cold pressed coconut oil, the one that is transparent, the one that is transparent like water, not the other one that has the color of olive oil or granite oil. Cold pressed coconut oil is the one that is transparent like water. As soon as you're done rinsing off your DUDU OSUN from your face and you pat your face dry, the next thing you want to go in with is your coconut oil. A light amount, just a light amount. You don't need to do too much. A light amount that you apply on your face before you go in with any other product that you might have okay, for your skincare routine. All right, yes. And that brings me to the end of this video. So that person who asked this question, I hope I've answered your question. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have other questions that you want us to answer, let me know in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up, share out this video, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Till I come your way next time in my next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.